Ah, this is beautiful. Starting point was too far. My Ola guy dropped me 500 meters apart, and I am 10 minutes late to the race. Let's see how it goes. 1 kilometer done. Four kilometers done. Some decent elevation is there. The real trail starts 5 kilometers down. I'm completely exhausted, but yeah, it was under 29 minutes, so I'm happy about it. Thank you. So finally, fourth mountain climbed. हाँ जी भाई. So, 10 kilometers done, but there's something interesting. You look at that. That is first one. This is the second one. This is it. ये देख रहे हो? वो पहला छोटी, वो दूसरा, ये तीसरे पे अभी हम हैं, और वो रहा चौथा. So this trail run had 4 mountains.